We dreamed of what a new
People gather outside at ceremony at Rhea County Higher Education Center.
building for Chattanooga State and TCAT Chattanooga, what that could mean for the people of Dayton
Dr. Rebecca Ashford, President, Chattanooga State.
and all of Rhea County. I'm so thrilled that 8 years later, that dream has come true.
Ceremonial ribbon cut at entrance.
This ribbon cutting represents more than a building day.
Dr. Flora Tidings, Chancellor, Tennessee Board of Regents.
It truly exemplifies TBR's mission of student success and workforce development.
People tour building.
Facilities like this are where students gain
Student welds.
the hands-on experience,
Student runs robot.
the industry-aligned training, and the opportunities
Student intubates mannequin.
that fuel our state's economy
Student repairs computer.
and transform our citizens' lives.
Student wires machine.
I got till April of this year
Student talks with governor.
to finish my second semester.
There was one thing I wanted to make sure that happened in this state while I was in office. It was to strengthen our colleges of technology
Bill Lee, Governor of Tennessee.
and our classes in our community colleges that offered technical, skilled training, expertise for people like these men and women over here. So we put $1 billion toward our colleges of technology
Governor Lee talks with students.
to make sure that we have a place that these young men and women can go to use their God-given skills to create an opportunity for them to fill the jobs that are coming into this state in record numbers.